Welcome back. The Career Development Center offers multiple career fairs and events each semester and shares them in Handshake. In this video, we will walk you through how to register for one of these career fairs. Start by navigating to your Handshake homepage. Click on the events link in the top left-hand corner, and this will take you to a list of all of the upcoming career events. From here, you can filter the type of events you're looking for. These can include info sessions with external organizations, workshops with on-campus departments, various career meetup discussions, career fairs, and more. For this video, we will select the career fair filter. You will now see a list of upcoming career fairs. Select the fair that interests you to learn more about it and the employers that will be attending, which can be found at the bottom of the career fair page. You can also explore each of the employer profiles to learn more about the individual companies. Then you can use this information to direct your networking interactions when attending the career fair. Now back to the career fair main page. If you're interested in attending, you can click the register button. Answer any required questions and you'll be good to go. Once you've registered, you'll receive an email confirming your registration. So I'll go ahead and click register. And it says that I'm registered. I didn't even have to answer any additional questions for this particular career fair. If you selected a virtual career fair hosted through Handshake, as is this one, you will need to sign up for sessions. Scroll down a little and click on the Available Sessions tab on the left-hand side. Review the different sessions that are available and find one that fits your schedule. Once you've found one that has fits your schedule, you can click on that particular session and confirm. This will add the particular session to your schedule, and you can scroll back up to the top of the career fair page and click on the Your Schedule tab to see all of the sessions that you have signed up for. On the day of the fair, you're going to go to your schedule and click the launch video next to the particular session that you're going to be attending. This will open you up to a page that prompts you to allow access to your microphone and video. And once you allow that access, you'll be ready to join the session and interact with your employer. At these career fairs, we encourage you to sign up for multiple sessions and connect with as many employers as possible. The more you meet with, the more opportunities you'll discover. Thank you for following along with this video. We hope to see you at a career fair or event soon. Have a wonderful day.